Okay, thanks, Martin. And next up, we have Frank from France IX. He's going to talk about keeping local traffic local in France.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Frank Simon. I'm France IX Managing Director. Just a quick start with the roots of France IX. We are a pretty young IXP. We were created in France in 2010, and in fact we will celebrate our 5th year in June. And we were created from a community initiative, and I think this is an important point because it's not that we had no internet exchange point in France. We used to have many of them, and it was just a mess. We had up to 12 internet exchange points in Paris, and so the big deal was how to stop this fragmentation and make sure we consolidate the market and position Paris as a real-peering place regarding the other international platform in Europe. So as it was from a community initiative, it was important to maintain independence and neutrality. And so we decided to have two organizations, an association, non-profit association, and a private company. And so I am the one driving the private company, but the unique shareholder of the private company is the association itself. So each time we do sign a customer through the private company, this customer also becomes a member of the association, and the member gets a vote, whatever the bandwidth he has subscribed at the exchange during the annual meeting. And this vote is to validate the accounts of the private company and also to nominate the board members. We had for the creation the notion of funding members. It was important because we had no money to start with, and I must say that a lot of people were just praying that France IX would fail because everybody wanted to keep its own internet exchange for him, and nobody wanted, or at least a lot of internet exchange wanted to survive and not consolidate the market. Meanwhile, it was a global request from the community itself. So unfortunately, we succeeded for the people trying to make us fail, and because it was a request itself from the community, as I said. So we did create 6 board members allocated to the founding members, and since last year, I decided to increase the number of seats and also to have individuals within the board, because for now, the people were not representing themselves, but the company for which they were working for. And of course, we renew the board every year. Now, how to keep the traffic local? So in our case, we decided to have a strong footprint since the first day, and we deployed 6 POPs on the first year. And we were convinced that, of course, an internet exchange is made for peering. But if you only provide basic peering through the exchange, you may not catch critical mass, or you may not catch enough diversity of members. And also I will talk about the optimization there is in France regarding local exchange points that are not international exchange points, but we have many local exchange points in big cities in France. So for the footprint itself, of course, we couldn't be everywhere, so we decided to start with 6 POPs. Now we have 9 POPs in Paris and 1 POP in Marseille, because this is a place where there are a lot of submarine cable. And we also allocated a lot of, at least we thought it was important to have a diversity of members, because when you launch an IXP, everybody thinks that you will connect ISPs, carriers. Of course, these are the natural players, I would say. But it's not enough to attract this type of player if you want to keep the traffic local, because, of course, a lot of traffic is coming from ISPs, but the global internet traffic in your country is not only coming from there. You have to take into account also the traffic coming from private companies and so on. Maybe they are not professional guys from the internet, but during many years they were used to use IP transit, and now they want to go to peering because they want to buy cloud services from the exchange. They want to have dedicated peerings with people running video conference stuff or whatever. And then the market is changing. And if you want to keep traffic local, do not think only about ISPs or operators. You have to have a wider view of it. And so this is not an explicit list, but you should have national education network connected to the exchange. Of course, CDNs, because they are the one driving the most traffic on the exchange. Cloud providers, hosting providers, emailing companies, corporate companies, gaming guys, bank, insurances, e-commerce, and so on. And in our case, on France IX, the main traffic is driven by CDNs, but I am convinced that within the next few months and years, the part of the traffic represented by corporate companies will increase significantly. And there will still be an important part of CDNs, but that's why I just emphasize that point regarding corporate companies. You have to listen to the market if you want to keep your the traffic local. So, of course, you have to have unicast traffic, basic stuff. But one important thing is to communicate around the route servers you might provide. And if you want to keep traffic local, route servers will help you to encourage people to peer together. But then do not forget that you should bring BGP communities to bring additional value to the route servers. Otherwise, in France, for instance, we had big eyeballs that didn't want to peer with a few guys. And because at first we were not providing BGP community along with route servers, they just decided not to peer with route servers at all because they were not able to exclude specific peers through the route servers. Now we have BGP communities, and then they were happy to peer with the route servers. So it were globally improving a lot the local traffic. Also, you should consider DNS services. A lot of exchanges, when they are created, they just forget about that. The basic stuff is that the data can go through the exchange, but the basic request, DNS requests at all the time in the network, they need to be optimized, and they don't have to go outside your country just because you don't have local DNS servers. And so you have to have root instances, root DNS instances connected to your exchange, but also the top-level domains of your country must be connected to the exchange. And at FranceX, we have partnership with all of them, and we decided that the DNS services are useful for the community. And so even if the price is the same for everybody because we are an association, we decided that it's full free for people providing DNS services to the exchange. They don't pay anything to the exchange. And we over-provision the connectivity to them on the exchange to make sure that even in case of DDoS, the service is still there. And this is very important. Also, as additional services, we have private VLANs because we knew that, for instance, corporate companies may want private VLANs to a cloud provider with SLAs along it to get specific access to it. And if you want this traffic not going to IP transit or outside, you need to provide that on the exchange. So my point is that globally, just listen to the market. It's not enough to have an exchange to keep local traffic local. If you don't listen to the market and don't adapt the services on the exchange, by the time some traffic will leave the exchange or will never go through the exchange itself. And also we have a reseller program. So this point is a bit controversy because reseller program most time is for remote peering. But in our case also we promote reseller program because we are not in all the data centers in Paris. We are not covering all of them even if we have 9 POPs. So in a case we have a member that wants to connect, if we are not locally here, then this member can go through a reseller and be brought to one of our POPs. So it does help also to keep traffic local, even if it does also in another site allow remote peering, which is not really local traffic. You have to have a diversity of POPs. And as I said, in France, FranceX is based in Paris and Marseille, but we are globally also supporting regional IXPs. So just watch about what I call regional IXPs. I call regional IXPs in France IXPs matching the French geographic regions. And we have a lot of them and in main cities. And so the traffic of such region is even staying within the region itself and not going to Paris or going to Marseille for France AX. It's staying local. And so it's another level of optimization because there is not a clear hierarchy between this exchange and international exchange. This is not the debate. I just wanted to emphasize that in France we have this level of optimization for the traffic itself. And I think that for the questions, there will be a specific time slot for that. Thank you.